And next tonight, the U.S. Constitution clearly protects the rights of those accused of committing crimes. But what about the rights of victims? That's the question local residents were asking themselves recently. Supporters of Marsy's Law met in Fairfield over coffee, which is where KTVO's Romello Stiles caught up with Jocelyn Messer.
My son, Nathan, and his friend, Seth Anderson, were murdered.
A cold case for nearly 10 years. Then, new information.
And local law enforcement announced the arrest of 2 men in a cold case investigation of a March 2006 house fire that claimed 2 lives. Authorities say there was a physical altercation here at the house party, and Chris Yenger was asked to leave the party. Later that morning, neighbors reported seeing smoke from the home.
Rode with somebody who filled up a beer bottle full of gasoline.
Jocelyn, understandably, wants to stay up to date on the offenders.
One of our offenders will be out of jail, and he could be in our community. How do we find things out? And especially, how are we notified when our accuser is being moved?
The offenders were jailed in 2016, but Jocelyn faces the reality that one of the men responsible for her son's death will be out of jail one day.
A very unsettling situation to be in when you get a phone call in the middle of the night that he's being moved and there's no one to reach out to, realizing that sometimes the offender has more rights than the victim.
Marsy's Law would bring sweeping constitutional amendments that automatically grant victims protection, as well as expanded rights to restitution and other legal guarantees. Jocelyn hasn't come out as a supporter yet.
That's why I needed to come today. I've been researching online, and I just needed to know more about it.
Marsy's Law has been introduced to the Iowa General Assembly for consideration. Our thanks to Jocelyn Messer for speaking with us. To find out more about the push to adopt Marsy's Law in Iowa, visit marsyslawforiowa.com.